Today I'm going to be sharing with you the first in our series on how to support students stuck at home. The coronavirus is causing all sorts of crises in our communities, but I strongly believe that having the children home for a while could actually be a fantastic opportunity for us to think about how they learn and think about how we provide teaching for them. So let's dive straight in. Number 1, join some online courses. Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are 3 fantastic, free or very, very inexpensive platforms where you or your children can learn a new skill, watercolor, coding, anything you can think of, drawing, sketching, on camera, performance, anything you can think of, there's a course for you on those 3 platforms. It can be an incredible opportunity being stuck at home to watch those videos, complete those tasks, and actually by the time the virus has blown over, you could be ready for a whole new career. Now, I could spend all day talking about Audible. Audible changed my family's life. We've been collecting audiobooks for about 10 years now, and we have a library that started with Thomas the Tank Engine and Winnie the Pooh, and I have tons of professional development books on there as well. The beautiful thing about Audible is that you can listen to an audiobook whilst you're doing something else. So you can stay physically active, you can be using your hands or your body to cook or to draw or to play in the garden, while at the same time being able to stimulate your mind. The vocabulary gap is a big thing in education today. And if you have your children listening to all the classics, or even the not classics on Audible, you'll be boosting their vocabulary in an effortless and pleasant way, which is really the point of vocabulary. Journaling will do 2 things for you or your children. It will help you to practice communicating and expressing yourself through writing, which is a lifelong skill, and it will support your mental health. Journaling every day, 3 pages a day, stream of consciousness, without any particular agenda or self-censoring, is a fantastic way to get all your thoughts down on paper and out of your head. If you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling scared, if you're feeling depressed, writing can be a fantastic way to help yourself. It's really exciting to receive a package in the post, and it's particularly exciting for a child to see their name on an envelope. Contact Liz at The Reading Chest or Sophie at Tutor in a Box, and they will send your children activities, hands-on, fun and engaging activities. In the case of The Reading Chest, you'll be supporting their reading because they will send you reading scheme books leveled to your child's ability, and you can send them back and forth like a lending library. They'll keep sending you the next level up. In terms of Tutor in a Box, Sophie will send you in a lovely yellow box some hands-on resources to support their maths and English learning all the way up to GCSE. It can be a fantastic way to stimulate and support your students' learning. You can't get to the library, and Kindle's fine, but somehow some of us still find it unfulfilling. Try the Book People. Their books are incredibly cheap, less than £1 a book, and of course you don't have to pay fines when you can't return them. They have incredible value sets for children, young adults and adults. And if you look on their site, thebookpeople.co.uk, you'll see that they have an unbelievable discount sale at the moment. So do go, have a look, order some books. They'll deliver a great big red box and it will keep everybody busy and engaged for a long time. The last 2 suggestions are more specific to qualified tutor, but we are seeing an upsurge in the need for tutoring at the moment, whether online or face-to-face. If your children can't get to school and you need them to be having some direct instruction, tutoring is a fantastic answer. So suggestion number 6 is find a tutor. You could go on Superprof, My Tutor, lots and lots of other agencies and platforms which I'll be sharing with you another time. The important thing is make sure that your children build a rapport with the tutor and look forward to them coming. Make sure that they're in a situation where they remind you what time the tutor's coming, and stick with it. The first, the second, the third session are only the getting to know you sessions. You'll see change and improvement because tutoring makes an enormous difference. Become a tutor. Now, that could be for your own children, it could be for somebody else's local children, or it could be online. But there will be a subject, whether primary or secondary level, that you feel that you can teach. It could just be a homework support, or it could be physics A level. We all have our specialisms. And if you can be patient and positive, and if you can look at the student and see what they need to do, you can really, really make a difference as a tutor. It's a fulfilling job, it's a job that pays nicely, it's flexible, and it makes an incredible difference. So those are our suggestions for how to increase learning, even though schools are closed. More from us soon.